Game 713 here with the first part of the big 93 booster pack opening. And the first 5 parts will be Dragons Exalted. Each part will have 5 packs, and I'll try to preserve the packs. So I may give them to people, sell them to people only because of shipping, but I'll try to preserve most packs, that or I'll just throw them away. So if you do want any, PM me and I'll see if I have it. So the pack arts is Gyarados, Giratina, Terrakion, and Rayquaza. And honestly, I like Gyarados the most. And even though these 3 are legendaries, which I really do love legendaries, I would have to go with Gyarados. So let's get started. First pack, Gyarados. Now, since I haven't opened any of there we go. See, I already ripped it. But since I haven't opened any of these packs before, I don't know exactly where the rares and stuff come in, so I'll have to see what order so I can put them at the end. Yeah, this one's definitely ripped. Alright, so we have TCGO codes. They'll all be for sale. So we have Murkrow, Golett, Buizel, Drifloon, Electrike, Slacking reverse, really good reverse, Wailord holo, oh man, first pack already got a holo, Gabite, Rescue Scarf, and Emolga. So let's see, what was the order? 1, 2, 3. Alright, I think I got this. So I'll be putting these in sleeves if I can. Alright, moving on. See, this one got totaled. Alright, moving on to the next one, Giratina. So let's try and be careful with this. You know what? Actually, I think I'll probably just rip it like this. I might. Yeah, never mind the whole keeping the packs. I'll probably only keep them when they're good. So if I do have any extras that I don't keep, then I'll tell you. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have Stunky, Mareep, Nincada, Minxino. See, some of these I may not pronounce right, but if I'm pronouncing it wrong, please tell me. Golett, Throw, Zweilous, Wailmer, ooh, 100 HP. Claydol is the reverse, and Houndoom is the rare. So that's amazing. I just got 2 rare reverses in a row and a holo on my first pack. So next one we have Terrakion. Alright, this one's probably going to come out pretty good, as long as I don't rip it after I get it open. Alright, there's a little hole where I just ripped it, but not that big of a deal. I'll probably still keep it, so that'll go there. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yanma, Nosepass, Trubbish, Magmar, Aeron, Gothorita, Silcoon, Zweilous, Marowak is the reverse, and that is also a rare. And then we have Garchomp holo. Wow. I'm really liking these Dragon Exalted packs. Alright, next one. See, like, that's what happened to the Terrakion. Just, like, a little bit of paint peel, except there actually is a little hole right there. But, other than that. still keep worthy. This one I can't grab, so I'm gonna have to rip this. Oh well. Alright. TCGO code. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright. Feebas. Roselia. Hounder. Spheal. Actually a really good Pokemon. I love him. Gothita. Palpitoad. Giant Cape. Voldor. Drifloon is the reverse, common, first common reverse, and then we have Jumpluff rare. Sorry if you, if I sound kind of funny because I'm sick right now. My nose is running. Oh, I did it again. Ripped it again. Alright, put the code over here. Don't want you guys seeing that. So we have, let's go move these. So we have Gothita, Baltoy, Hoppip, Cubone, Gibble, Toll Scrapper, Roselia, both arts already, wow. Skuntank, Gothitelle is the reverse, once again a rare, and a Gothitelle non-holo. So we have the reverse and the regular non-holo in the same pack. Pretty amazing. Alright, so that's the end of part 1. I'll do a summary at the end of each video, and then I'll do a big summary at the end of each pack series. So for the rares, we have Gothitelle, Jumpluff, and those are, and Houndoom. So those are the 3 regular rares that I got. Then we have Drifloon is the only common reverse. The rest are rares. Gothitelle, Slacking, Marowak, and Claydol. And then we got 2 holos, Garchomp and Wailord. So, like I said, that's the end of part 1. See you next time in part 2.